What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We got some good stuff in store for you guys today. We're with our buddy Ram Outdoors. I'll leave his link in the description below, as long as with his Instagram. Make sure you guys go check him out. We got a lot in store. We're going steelhead fishing. We're gonna be floating some sacks and some beads. We got many spots.
Magic color right there.
Creek candy, baby.
Calling it. I don't know what it is, but I keep catching males on green. I want a female, but we'll see if I keep catching males on it.
Yeah, so we're gonna hit a few different spots. We got a couple holes we want to hit in the Menominee, and then we're gonna head over to Milwaukee, and hopefully we can pop a few steelies under some floats. We're gonna see if we can get our buddy hooked up right over here. He's gonna pop the drone up in the air. We'll get some sick B-roll for you guys. Stay tuned. There's definitely fish in and out of that bed, though. Nothing in here? Bet. Alright, I see the fish. It's in the top right. He just moved off of it. There's probably two of them. There's two fish. There's two of them. Yeah. Oh. Oh. If you don't eat that, this fish has got some issues. Oh, come on, man. That was so perfect. Bet you right along this wall looks pretty good too. I'll follow you up. Oh, we got one. Get the net, go get the net, go get the net. What did I say? I knew there was one in here.
That's how you net a fish? I was doing it wrong the whole time.
Hell yeah, dude. What did I say? Right along that wall, baby.
You're right, you caught it.
Yeah. Now that's an Erie steelhead.
What are you trying to say? How do I make this thing look 10 times bigger than it is?
Grab it with an underhand.
I would gill it.
Oh, there she goes. No, you're not. It's fine. We'll catch a bigger one here.
Yeah.
Well, at least we got the first fish.
If we get one more, I'll run back and grab the drone.
That was a Lake Erie steelhead. I like that. Was that a natural fish? Did it have an adipose? I didn't look. Probably, if it's that small. Where's the net? I'll go get it. So sick. We went a whole day with no fish. Came to this spot. Banged two out of the same hole.
It's pretty. I wasn't rolling.
I was.
It's like literally almost the same size. It's like a stock. What the? Take a look at that, guys.
It's Erie steelhead.
That's a cool fish, actually.
Look at this, guys. Look at the size of this steelhead.
Absolutely. That's a tanker. Biggest
tank right here.
Biggest one of the year.
By far the biggest steelhead I've ever caught. It's got a little scar on its tail. Stocked fish. Here, look at that. Here, take. Someone grab the net here.
I can't.
I grab it. You grab it.
Take that one home and mount it.
It's gonna storm out of my hands, but look at the colors on that fish. Just a gorgeous fish. He's already kicking. There he goes.
Oh yeah, baby. Yep.
You're good, man.
They were sitting there, you guys came walking down and scooped them out of there for crying out loud.
You were down here, man.
What?
You were sitting down here.
Yeah, there's been fish spawning in there, and you guys were splashing in the water. And you want to have that gas and you try to fish for it with me? We can go at it. We can fish for the same fish. Let's go.
No, you're good. You're good. I was way up here. I wasn't even near you, so.
No, I'm not trying to be a dick.
And I didn't even throw my line in the water, so. It was a goon. Yep. That's fish, that's fish. Yep. Let's go. Yep. It's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, yeah. It's too, I can't let it get around this wood, dude. Let's go. I am. It's a big fish. I can't let it get around. Can't let it get around this wood here though.
I'm gonna go out there and stand and wait.
I'll try to get him all.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's go. He's right in here. He's gonna spook though once you get close.
I'd rather spook him upriver than down.
Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. Look at those head shakes. Big. Oh geez, big run. I'm not. If I get him over here to the left, you can net him. Trust me. Buck or hen? All right. Here he comes. Here he comes. Look at those head shakes. So sick. On the chartreuse. Oh, big head shake. Oh, jeez. You got him? Got him. Let's go. Let's go.
Right there,
Let's go.
On the chartreuse, big
That's a big buck.
That's a nice fish right there.
That's how you bead fish right there.
On the bead.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Oh. All right, here, bring him over in this slack water here. Here you go, off to the right.
Take a look. Oh, you don't want him to slip away there.
Ooh, natural fish.
Natural fish. He's ready to go for sure. Look at the colors on that fish. Double striped up male.
Gorgeous.
What a gorgeous fish. We're gonna get some pictures. We're gonna get the release. He bit on the chartreuse bead, just floating it down, bouncing it off bottom. All of a sudden, bobber went down. Absolute tank of a steelhead right here. Gonna send him back where he belongs. Here he goes. Big male buck. There he goes. So cool. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
All right.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. On the big one.
Finally.
On the bead. Not even a spawn sack on that one. So cool.
Finally. All day, baby.
All day. We've been grinding for so long. I mean, we caught two little guys. Just landed this giant buck. Really nice colors on it. And oh my gosh, was that fun.
Let's get another one, baby. Right, we were about to leave too. We were about to head on out.
Let's do it.
Out here with my man. Let's get another one, baby. Alright guys, we're just wrapping up the day here. We fished, it was a decent day overall. I think Aiden, you landed 2 fish. Ram, you got 1. We fished the Menominee earlier today. That was okay. We went up and down a few times, only landed 2 fish. Hopped over to Milwaukee and Aiden popped a pretty solid buck.
Popped a huge buck. Nice colors.
On the chartreuse bead. Aiden, I need to hop up to their level here. Huge shout out to Ram here for coming on coming on over. He just moved here 2 days ago and this guy's already on the water, so props to you. Like I said earlier, I'll leave his link in the description below, so make sure you go check him out both on YouTube and Instagram. With that being said, go making sure you guys drop a like down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the gray bell next to it if you guys haven't already. Drop a comment down below, go leave a like and comment on his video. He's gonna be making a video today as well, so make sure you go show him some love, and see you on the next one.
Peace out, y'all. Appreciate you watching.